Hello and welcome back to a brand new video on my channel. Sorry, I'm trying to get what the whole video is about and I've left it on my side. Ooh. So today's video is going to be something very exciting. Well, definitely exciting for me and hopefully for you guys, because you'll be excited to see what's in here. But so I was very kindly sent this lovely little box of goodies from by VIXI. They contacted me on Instagram and sent me a lovely box of lash, like a big kit of lash stuff, which is like literally me all over, literally wear lashes every day, and I was like, this is perfect. So they asked me like what sorts of lashes I liked, and I told them like foaming and quite voluminous lashes, voluminous lashes, and like quite long and big lashes. So they sent me a couple pairs of lashes and a big box of goodies. So it says on the front, "To glam, to give a damn," which I love because that's me. But let's hop straight in. So when you open the box, there's like, I don't want it to fall, but like there's like loads of goodies in here, like loads of goodies, and I was so excited. I was like, oh my god, like when the postman delivered this, I was like, yes, like literally opened it straight away. So I'm going to start with the lashes because they're a lash brand, but they also supply everything in here, and I'm making this video because actually their launch day, when I'm filming this video, I think I'm going to upload it a day after, so this will probably be like up a couple days or a day after their launch day, but I'm filming it on their launch day. These are the two pairs of lashes that they sent me. This is they're obviously both the by VIXI, and then we've got some from the signature collection. These are the style number 24, and these are my favorite out of the two. Like, these are gorgeous. They're like so big, well, they're not like even like so big, but they're like my perfect size. And like, look at the gradient. There's so many lashes on the band, they just look incredible. I will insert a video of like me wearing them, and they actually look gorgeous. Like, they enhance your eye makeup so much. So much better about your eye makeup with lashes. Lashes just like make everything better. So those are those ones, and they are actually gorgeous. And I've got some from the Foaming Luxe collection. Did I say Foamink? And these are the style 34, and look at these, they are so gorgeous, and like they are genuinely so soft. And also, I forgot to mention, they're so comfortable, and you also get little glues in there, so you get a nice little glue, a clear adhesive in there in both of those, so that's an extra added bonus, because a lot of lashes come nowadays without like gluing, so it's good that they have glue in. But both those lashes are gorgeous. So they've got a code on at the minute for 30% off because they're brand new and just launched, and the code is LL30. I'll put that right here. I think it expires on the 12th of April, so you've got until the 12th of April to purchase any of these lashes, and I would highly recommend the lashes because they're actually gorgeous. Also in this box of goodies, we have got I've not used these things in here apart from the lash glues. I've used them, but I've like not used the eyeshadow. I use the lashes as well, and I use the lash applicator, but I've put them all back in their packaging perfectly because I wanted to make this video, but like I couldn't make the video until their launch date, so that's why I'm doing it today. And I also wanted to put a picture on my Instagram, but I couldn't do that until the launch date, so I've done that today. They also sent these gorgeous little brushes, and they are so soft, and I mean their packaging is just like the rose gold. Like, look, the rose gold, it's actually gorgeous. Like, I really think it's dead pretty. So yeah, I've got three lovely little brushes in here. Oh, one's a double-ended brush. I didn't even know that. What's on the other end? Get it out. Ooh, got a little this eyebrow brush. We love a good eyebrow brush. It's got a nice little spoolie on the end. Then we've got like a blendy brush and like a flatter brush. So it's actually really nice that they put brushes in the kit as well, because like for a brand that does like the lashes, you wouldn't expect them to put the brushes and stuff in the kit, but they did, so we love that. Next we have got the lash applicator, which I showed you. Okay, so like if you're brand new to wearing lashes, like a lash applicator can really help you, because like of the curved bit, like it grips to your lash. Let me show you one. Like, it'll grip to your lash perfectly, and then you can really push it into your lash band. So I really do recommend a lash applicator if you struggle to apply lashes, because it will really help you actually. Next we have two lash glues, and I have used both of these. So I've got a clear one and a black one. I tend to use the black one when I do eyeliner and the clear one like when I don't do eyeliner. But it literally says stronghold on here, and I can agree that it is a stronghold. Like, it's a really, really good lash glue. I've also got some lash scissors, which is the most handy dandy thing in the whole world, because like usually, like, look, they're just perfect, like, to cut your lashes. Usually I use these big fat scissors up here to cut my lashes, which is like these big scissors, like, and then compared to these really, really tiny scissors, like, I needed lash scissors, I didn't even know it. Like, it makes cutting lashes so much easier. I definitely recommend getting some lashes, because you do sometimes have to trim your lashes. Like, you have to trim your lashes to make them fit your eyes perfectly. But with these lashes, actually, I didn't even need to trim them. They fit perfectly straight away, so we love that. And then I've got a lash curler. Again, the lovely rose gold packaging, and it's probably the prettiest lash curler I've got. And it's this little by VIXI at the top, which we love. And you know, I've got is actually very, very handy. It is a lash case. So you can fit 3 pairs of lashes in there. So like, you know, like if you don't want to keep all the boxes, like, because the boxes are like, boxes of lashes can be pretty big. You can literally just take them out the lashes, out of the boxes, and keep them in here. Or like if you're going on like a week away or like a holiday or something, and you want to take like 3 pairs of lashes, instead of like taking space up with the boxes, like this is literally the same size as a box. So like, instead of taking 3 boxes, you take 1 box and you can fit 3 pairs in 1 lash box. And it's got a lovely little mirror on it. How cute's that? So you literally like apply your lashes in that mirror. And it says, I woke up like this on it. And I wish I'd wake up like this instead of spending 2 hours on my makeup in the morning, but that's beside the point. So yeah, I want to say a big thank you to By VIXI for sending me this lovely kit of lash stuff. Like, I'm gonna use the hell out of all of it, and I genuinely love everything that's in here. It's really, really good stuff. So yeah, if you do want to purchase anything of this, please use the code LL30 for 30% off. And I do recommend, I highly recommend everything that I've spoken about. Like, it's genuinely really good stuff, and again, it's absolutely gorgeous, isn't it? So yes, thank you for watching this video. Please remember to like and subscribe, and please remember to go and check out the it's www.byvixi.com, their website, and just have a look at their lashes and see if any take your fancy, because I bet they will. So yeah, please remember to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.